Did you know that anyone can contract STDs? With the right information, you can safeguard your health. Let's dive into effective prevention, treatment, and natural support. Sexually transmitted diseases, or STDs, fall into three main categories: bacterial, viral, and parasitic. Common examples include gonorrhea, herpes, and trichomoniasis. Early testing and receiving medical care are vital for your well-being. Prevention is essential for everyone. Always use condoms during sexual activities. Get vaccinated against HPV and hepatitis B. Limit your number of partners. Regular screenings can help identify issues early. Maintaining good hygiene practices further reduces the risk of infections. Regarding medical treatment, bacterial STDs typically respond well to antibiotics. Conditions like gonorrhea and chlamydia can be effectively treated. For viral STDs, antiviral medications are necessary. Managing conditions like herpes and HIV requires ongoing care. Early intervention is crucial to save lives and prevent complications. Let's discuss herbal and natural support. Remember, while herbs can offer support, they cannot cure STDs. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Echinacea can enhance your immune response. Aloe vera may soothe genital sores. Neem is recognized for its antiviral and antibacterial effects. Turmeric provides strong anti-inflammatory benefits. Green tea extract supports topical issues with warts. Honey and propolis can help with soothing and antibacterial needs. Incorporate these herbs thoughtfully into your routine. Adopting lifestyle changes can greatly enhance your overall well-being. Emphasize a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and ensure you get enough rest. Effectively manage stress to bolster your immune system. Steer clear of risky behaviors and communicate openly with your partners. Keep in mind that STDs are both preventable and treatable. Prioritize medical solutions, utilize herbal support wisely, and focus on your health. Remember, knowledge truly is power. For more insights, subscribe to LifeCare Education. Did you know that taking proactive measures can substantially lower your risk of STDs? Understanding your body and practicing safe behaviors is vital for your health. Make regular screenings part of your healthcare routine. They can detect potential infections before symptoms appear, ensuring timely intervention and minimizing transmission risk. It is essential to talk to your healthcare provider about your sexual history and express any concerns. This open dialogue fosters a better understanding of your personal health needs. Adopting these practices enhances your physical health and boosts mental well-being. Educating yourself and your partners about STDs promotes a supportive environment. These discussions empower individuals to take charge of their sexual health. Additionally, making conscious choices in relationships helps mitigate potential risks, leading to a safe space for intimacy. Always remember, being proactive is crucial for prevention and treatment. Before starting any new herbal routine, always consult with a healthcare professional. Use these remedies alongside conventional treatments to improve your overall health. For example, while garlic may help reduce infections, it cannot replace prescribed medications. Stay cautious and informed about combining natural and medical approaches to ensure maximum safety while managing your health journey. Gaining knowledge empowers you to navigate the intricacies of STDs effectively, promoting a healthier lifestyle. By integrating these practices, you cultivate a sense of security and well-being in your life. Recognize that while herbal remedies can provide support, they should never substitute proven medical treatments. Understanding STDs alongside actionable health practices empowers individuals to make informed decisions. Seek regular guidance from healthcare professionals, as they can navigate the numerous options available. Additionally, Open conversations with partners about health can strengthen your relationship and promote mutual respect. As you progress, keep this information in mind. Use it whenever necessary to protect your health and that of your loved ones. Incorporating effective communication with your partners is essential. Prioritize your health. It's an ongoing journey that demands commitment and vigilance. Embrace these principles and acknowledge the importance of prevention and treatment, leading to a healthier life. Remember, knowledge is empowerment, paving the way for maintaining both sexual health and overall well-being. Don't hesitate. Take the first step toward a more informed future today. Understanding how to maintain your sexual health is vital. While discussing STDs can feel uncomfortable, fostering an open space for conversation can strengthen your relationships. Encourage mutual testing and exchange educational resources to empower one another in making informed choices. Practicing transparency cultivates trust and enhances your joint commitment to health. Personal responsibility is crucial, but creating a supportive community is invaluable in combating misinformation and stigma surrounding STDs. Embrace these discussions to advance your journey toward a healthier, more knowledgeable community. Consider establishing clear communication guidelines before initiating sexual relationships. Set aside time for discussions about expectations and concerns, emphasizing the importance of honest health disclosures. This proactive approach decreases anxiety, allowing both partners to feel secure in their decisions. Remember, you can influence not only your health but the well-being of those close to you. As you navigate these conversations, seek support from trusted friends or health educators who can provide guidance and resources. Working together fosters an informed community that prioritizes responsible sexual health. In addition to promoting open communication, be aware of your sexual health boundaries. Discuss personal risks and past experiences with STDs to enhance understanding and alleviate anxiety around the topic. This dialogue is a necessary step in building a strong foundation for a healthy sexual relationship. Adopting a stance of mutual respect during these discussions creates a safe environment where both partners feel valued and heard. Sharing knowledge about STDs simultaneously strengthens your bond, fostering trust and commitment. Prioritizing health is a shared journey that benefits both individuals and the overall relationship, creating a foundation grounded in responsibility and care. Educating yourself and your partner about STDs leads to informed decisions regarding contraception and safer sex practices. Understanding the effectiveness of various methods in preventing STDs allows you to choose options that meet your health needs and lifestyle. Open discussions about these choices not only deepens your connection but also emphasize mutual commitment to safety. Within these discussions, explore both traditional and alternative preventive strategies while remaining receptive to new information. Prioritize barriers like condoms, essential for reducing transmission risk, and consider the benefits of regular health screenings as a standard aspect of your relationship. Above all, remember that prioritizing sexual health involves ongoing education and discussions, enabling both partners to grow in understanding and experience. By taking these steps, you affirm the importance of being proactive about your sexual health. While discussing contraception, it's crucial to address the emotional dimensions of sexual health. Share feelings about intimacy and any concerns that may emerge, as emotional health is connected to physical well-being. Understanding one another's emotional states fosters empathy and connection. Emphasizing consent reinforces respect and consideration in all interactions. Celebrate trust and openness. These moments nourish a healthy partnership. Regularly revisit these dialogues, as dynamics can change, providing new opportunities for growth and understanding. This ongoing communication enriches your bond and nurtures a culture of health and safety in your relationship. Encouraging supportive and proactive behaviors within your partnership can significantly foster an atmosphere of safety and trust. Take time to celebrate milestones in your health journey together, acknowledging each other's commitment to staying informed and responsible. Setting joint goals, such as regular testing or attending educational workshops, further solidifies your bond and demonstrates shared dedication to well-being. Your primary aim is to navigate your sexual health confidently and harmoniously, ensuring both partners feel empowered throughout the process. By promoting ongoing dialogue, you create a resilient partnership ready to address any health challenges related to STDs. Implementing these preventive steps in your daily life doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Start with small, attainable goals, like scheduling health checkups or learning about various contraceptive methods. Each action builds confidence and reinforces your commitment to sexual health. Share your discoveries with your partner to foster mutual growth. Together, establish an environment that prioritizes health and open discourse, allowing both parties to thrive. Remember, you protect not just yourself but also create a supportive network prioritizing safety and well-being for everyone involved. Initiate these essential conversations. They lead to a healthier future. Engaging herbal support alongside medical care can prove advantageous. However, prioritize safety above all. Start by researching how natural remedies might complement traditional treatments. For example, while garlic's properties could help diminish bacterial infections, it's essential to remember it's not a replacement for prescribed antibiotics. Consult with a healthcare provider about any herbal remedies you consider, ensuring they align with your broader treatment plan. When integrated thoughtfully, herbal options can offer additional assistance in your body's healing process. Always approach these choices cautiously to maximize health outcomes. Establishing a healthy lifestyle involves more than conversations. It requires nurturing your body. Good nutrition and regular exercise play pivotal roles in enhancing well-being. Focus on whole, nutrient-rich foods and engage in enjoyable physical activities that invigorate both body and mind. Prioritize self-care. Allocate time for relaxation and mental rejuvenation, as these greatly impact overall health. A balanced lifestyle promotes resilience, making it easier to face challenges related to sexual health and overall wellness. By emphasizing open dialogue, informed decision-making, and continuous education, you can effectively navigate various aspects of sexual health. Embrace these principles confidently and take proactive steps to safeguard your well-being, nurturing a future where safety, support, and knowledge thrive across all areas of your life.